Good morning to all students. This is Mayank and I will be teaching you computer in class 8. So today we are going to start our first topic, that is inputting programs in Java. Okay, the first question is that write a program to input two numbers and we have to find the sum of that two numbers. Okay, the question is write a program to input two numbers and we have to find the sum of that numbers. Now here in the first line I am taking the class name Mayank. You can take class name anything. In the next line I am opening the bracket. Next line I am writing public static void main. Okay, now here I am taking two variables, integer a and integer b. Now here I want to add two numbers, so we have to take that two numbers first. So that two numbers are integer a and integer b. Again in the next line I am opening the bracket and next line we are writing what? We are writing integer c is equals to a plus b. Now how this program will work? When you just type this program on a laptop or a PC, okay, so basically the computer will ask you about the value about integer a and integer b. Okay, now here integer a suppose I am giving the value 2 and integer b suppose I am giving the value 3. Now this line will add these two numbers. The value of a is what? 2. The value of b is 3. Now if we add these two numbers we are getting the answer 5 and that answer is stored in which variable? C variable, and that variable we are printing on the screen, so we are getting our answer 5 on the screen. Okay, now here you are giving the value of your own. Okay, the value is depending on you are the user, so the value is depending on you. Suppose I am giving the value of a here 5 and value of b I am giving here 3. So 5 plus 3, that is 8, and 8 value will come in which variable? C variable, and it will print automatically on the screen, because here we are printing which variable? C variable, and the answer is coming in which variable? C variable, and that variable we are printing on the screen. Now here two brackets are open, and two brackets are closed. So this is our first program. The next program, in this program we are adding the two numbers. Now in the next program we are subtracting the two numbers. So in this same question is there, in place of sum we are finding the difference of the numbers. Okay, now same I'm writing here class Mayank, opening the bracket, public static void main. Two variables I am taking because we have to find the difference of two numbers, so integer a and integer b, two numbers are there. Again in the next line we are opening the bracket and we are writing in the next line integer c is equals to a minus b. Now again when you compile this program, okay, you can give the value of a or b according to you. Suppose if you're giving your value of a 5 and the value of b 2, so you know that 5 minus 2 is what? 3, and 3 value will come in which variable? C variable, and C variable is automatically printed on the screen. Okay, the answer 3 will be printed on the screen. Two brackets here we are opening and two brackets here we are closing. Okay, so these are the types of program we are going to study in first term, and this type of program are called the inputting programs in Java. Okay, inputting programs, because here the value is depending on you. Okay, the value is depending on you. You are the user, and the value which you are giving to the computer, according to that the value or the answer is printed on the screen. Okay, now let us take one more example, last one I am taking for today, that is class Mayank same. Now in this program we are doing the multiplication of two numbers. We are finding the product of the two numbers. In the first program we are finding the sum of the numbers, two numbers. In second program we are finding the difference of two numbers. Now in this program we are finding the product of the two numbers. Same class name I am taking, bracket again open, same line public static void main, like you are writing in class 7th. Now difference is that here we have to take two variables, integer a and integer b, because here also same is there. We have to find the product of two numbers, so we have to take that numbers, integer a and integer b. Okay, so integer a I am giving the value suppose 2, integer b I am giving the value 5. Now this line what it will do, it will just find the multiplication of these two numbers or find the product of these two numbers. So you know that 2 into 5 is what, 10, and 10 answer is stored in which variable, c variable, and that variable we are printing on the screen. Now here I am just uh, telling you that the value is depending on you. Okay, you can change the value also. The value is depending on you. Suppose you are giving the value of a 5, b you are giving the value 10. So when you multiply these two numbers, what is the answer? 50. And 50 will come in which variable? C variable, and that variable we are printing. So finally we are getting 50 as an answer on the screen.